Go.
Alright. What's this called?
Firework standoff.
This is the firework standoff. Zachar's going to be our participant for today.
I'm Zach.
What he has to do is, he has to stay in that room as long as he can with this firecracker.
Hold on. Okay. What?
Do I have to start over?
No. Let's go.
Alright. Let's do this, Zachar.
You in there, Zach?
Let's go. Let's do this.
You want to shut the door?
Yeah, shut the door.
Shut the door.
You gotta
Pick the door up, shut it, and throw it in here.
I'm kind of recording, bud.
pick the door up and shut it. Just pick it up, man.
Hold. Just pick it up, man.
You go.
Okay.
Alright,
As you can see, there is a door over this, and nobody can get out or in. There it goes.
Good God!
Boom!
That was fucking awesome.
What was your experience like?
Scared.